Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we've got some Vettsy. I bought a whole box of stuff. Did I need any of it? Absolutely not. Alright, I'm going to open the box up and so that I can actually get it underneath my camera here. It's a big box, okay? So I'm going to have to set it over to the side and get stuff out one at a time. We'll start with this little envelope. I feel like it's my birthday. It's not. So just a little pamphlet, Vettsy.com, and I have a 25% off coupon that I will, never remember and never use probably. I do have a discount code, and the link is down below. It's Guyleen325. And I earned a commission. How much? I don't know. I got one check from them like 2 years ago, and I've never seen a dime since. So I got a couple of more of these. So many of those. Got a ton of them. That's all right. All right, and they send a couple of cool stickers. Some boring stuff. So I got some little, nail brushes to clean nails with. I use these for dusting off. Dust off nails too. So I got 6 of those for like 99 cents. I don't remember. They were really cheap. This was like 99 cents. Did I need it? Absolutely not. I thought I was supposed to get a grab bag with this because I shared a post and a video. I don't know, but evidently I didn't get that, but that's all right. A little frame for, to put a set of nails on to show and take pictures and whatever. That's really cute. Also, I don't know, I think 99 cents, I think. And then I got this mold. Never seen one of these molds, the silicone nail art molds in a plastic case that, okay. And I don't know if you can see, but I am going to try this out. They're just a bunch of swigglies. Squirrelies and squiggles. I thought it was cute. I'm on the hunt for the silicone mats that do gel nail. They're nail forms that you paint the mold, cure it, pop it out, and you can stick them on your nails. I would really like to learn to do that, to do a form of my own nails. On the hunt for that. See it on Instagram all the time, but it's all in Spanish. I think it's Spanish. I'm not sure. I can't read any of it. And I went to the site, and again, none of it is in English. Don't know what you're ordering. Don't know how much it is. No. Okay, I ordered another one of these rainbow cat eye gels because I evidently have given all of mine away. I had 4 bottles. I had a Vettsy, a Madam Glam. Casey might have my Madam Glam. I think I told her she could use that to try it. I had Born Pretty and one other. I don't remember what it was called now, but I've given them all away. So I got another one. All right, so I know I didn't order any of the solid polish, but I did get one. I'll have to swatch that for you. Oh, it's a deep burgundy red. And I saw that they had stampers. I do have a base, just the calcium blushing base on my nails. Blushing, calcium rich blushing base coat. The only reason I ordered this, because it had a little silicone or acrylic plate with it. Cute. I didn't know what. Oh, it's got 2. The scraper is also a plate. I think I just thought the scraper was a plate. This scraper. Is that a scraper too? Anyway, it's got an extra plate. And it was so cute because it was this iridescent, the bottom doesn't pop out, so kind of cheap. I'll end up ruining this one right away, I'm sure. And but that one is really pretty firm. It does not have a bottom in it. Okay. And of course we'll try that too. And I'm not sure what this is. O2, whatever it is. Ugh, I'm gonna have to cut it. Ugh. Oh, this is gold painting, the chrome, like the silver chrome, only this is gold. So it's a painting gel, an art gel in gold, like a chrome gold. I ordered another UV brush because I love this brush. It's really thin. It doesn't roll. It's flat. The edges are flat, so it doesn't roll. Love that. I wish it had a cap, but it doesn't. But I've got tons of caps over here that I don't use, so I'll just put in one of those. But I've used this for months. I love this for application, for gel, and this is the old one, and I decided to pick up a spare because I love it that much. And then I guess they automatically sent a magnet for the rainbow cat eye because I wouldn't have ordered another one of these. I have like 15 of them. I ordered some more solid tip glue for my daughter because she's always stealing mine, so I'll have some maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure what this is. Oh yes, I did order this. Just a dampened dish in rainbows. I thought it was so pretty. It's so cute. It's so cute. And then the piece de resistance for this order. I think I really wanted this. So the rest of it I pretty much kind of ordered because I was just going through looking at stuff because I wanted to get free shipping. I know it's stupid because I probably spent more buying other stuff to get to free shipping than if I would have just paid their measly shipping. But anyway, you know how it goes. I gotta get that free shipping. All right, this is a UV sterilization box. I wanted one of these forever, and I think it was $30, so cheaper than I've found elsewhere. So let me get it out of the box. All right, so there's bubble wrap around it, and there is the box. And inside we have the instructions. Oh, aromatherapy functionality. Open lid of sanitizing station unit. Add a few drops of aromatherapy liquid into the diffuser inlet. Press the aromatherapy button to begin aromatherapy process. Button is located at the bottom right of the unit. Okay. Aromatherapy will run for 3 to 5 minutes. Sanitation station. Sanitizing station. Sorry, I'm giggling at myself for pronouncing everything incorrectly and having to do it again. Will display status by blinking LED indicator at the bottom center of the unit. Completion level will be illuminated. Aromatherapy can be stopped at any time by pressing the aromatherapy button again. Here it has, as you can see, aromatherapy and sanitization. It's like I kept saying sanitization and it's sanitizing, whatever. And then it has 25, 50, 75, 100% done. So it tells you like when it's done. I think that's cool. So I can like stick my phone in here and sanitize my phone. And I have a whole bunch. I hate using chemicals. I hate using the sanitizing chemicals. Anyway, I've got a whole bunch of bits here. So I'm going to sanitize them. Throw them in there. That one needs to be cleaned with alcohol first. Like, you want to get the debris off of it. Barbicide, I knew that that would come to me eventually. All right, so I put the bit on my drill and I spray it with alcohol just to get the stuff off of it. You could do this either way. You can put the little brushy bit on here and clean your bits, or the other way around. That's how I'm doing it right now. But I have several of these brushes because I love using these on people's nails. When I do a manicure, I put oil on their nails and then I take these and go around, and it's so nice. It scrubs off like any extra polish maybe that you got on it. And I don't use the ones that I clean my bits with on clients. That gets all the like dust and stuff off of them. All right, I have a drawer full of these cords over here. That one was really short, like really short, so I grabbed one that fit. Same hookups on the ends, but longer. All right, so the aromatherapy, you put the oil in here in this little thing and turn aromatherapy on, and I don't have any oils. So I'm going to hit the sanitization. Ooh, and the UV light lights up. Close that. And then we'll wait. All right, so, all right, we're at 100%. So I'm gonna click that again. It's not turning off. Guessing maybe until I unplug it. And there are all my bits sanitized. I don't know. I still feel like I need to dip them in chemical. Why do I feel like I still need to dip them in chemicals? At least alcohol? I don't know, you guys. Okay, I went ahead and swatched this one color. It is number 39 and it's called Queen Bee. And I did 2 coats. It applied very nice. I was kind of surprised. I'm not a huge fan of their puddings. Some of them I like. They're inconsistent for me. That's just all there is to it. Some of them are patchy and some of them aren't. I just never know till I get them. But the darker creams seem to be. Anyway, I was more worried about this art gel, and it applied beautifully, smooth, nice. I love it. It comes in several colors. I think I already have the rose gold, is why I got the regular gold. And I have a silver from Madam Glam that I absolutely love, so I didn't really need the silver. All right, we're going to try the stamper and the plates that come with it. This is just a 60s bomb here, this plate. Peace and love. And I grabbed some She Modern sticky stamping polish. And I got some new swatch sticks, and I thought they would be cool, but they're huge. I thought they were going to be smaller, just coffin shaped, but they're like stilettos that are coffin shaped. They're giant. It picked up amazingly. The stamper is nice. It picked up great. It is a little firm. So again, if you're looking for a firm stamper, you need all kinds. You need super soft, squishy ones. You need firm ones. It depends on what you're stamping. And for lines, this is really nice. I didn't, mongle up the lines that didn't go wonky on me. Although this thing is so long, I had to patch it. But I hear that complaint all the time from people. My nails are too long and I can't, you know, little image doesn't cover my whole nail. I mean, you need a stamper that will go that far too. And this is the Peacock from She Modern. Very pretty. Love this color. There's the plate. It's easier to see with it. Got polish stamping on it. Scraping these acrylic plates, just scrape the crap out of it. Scrape it hard. It'll be fine. But don't stamp it hard because then you break your swatch stick. Duh. Very pretty. Transferred great. Amazing. Love it. All right, the cat eye. I know I've swatched this for you before, but I'm just gonna do it real quick. When I started doing this unboxing, I wasn't sure if I was gonna actually, you know, like demonstrate any of them. But why not? You got nothing better to do. Obviously, since you're watching my video anyway. I'm gonna put this up on my lint roller turned on its side so you can see it. Get it up here a little higher. It does pull really nice. I don't have great luck with it over like lighter colors. I find that it does do best over black or a darker color. It's very pretty, just pulled out. But I'm just going to do a little manipulating of the magnet. You just kind of have to play with this stuff. If you've never used a magnetic before, you do have to just play with it to see what you get, what you want from it. Oh, there. The broken one goes on the little display plate. So cute. All right, there's everything I bought. I did buy all this myself. Oh, I didn't put my little... I didn't buy that one. I didn't put my little sanitation station in here. But I do like it. I just need to do a little more investigating and see if I can actually, I mean, I will put them in like little individual baggies, Ziploc baggies, and like put them in the light that way, I think, or put them on top of a piece of paper towel. Anyway, thanks you guys so much for joining me. Bye. She just sneezed on Mom's foot. Hello, baby. Hello, little baby. They're just everywhere out there, aren't they?